Answer coaching classes. Student, today we take next examples of the practice set 1.4. The question number 3 is, let's see the question number 3. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equals to 85. This is first equation. Second one is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equals to 89. Now I have to start the solution. First gives the number of this equation, means that 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equals to 85. This is equation number, suppose that first. Second one is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equals to 89. This is equation number 2. Now student, when we observe here, its numerator is 27, denominator is x minus 2. We write this 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 and such type 31 into 1 upon y plus 3. Means that you have to substitute the value of 1 upon x minus 2 and 1 upon y plus 3. So here I have to write substituting a for 1 upon x minus 2 and b for 1 upon y plus 3, then the equation will be right here. In that I have to write it directly. We get the equation first and second such as this becomes, look here, 27 into 1 upon x minus 2, but 1 upon x minus 2 is a, so I have to substitute these values. Then we get the equation 27 into a plus 31 into b is equals to 85. This is equation number, suppose that third. Then when we substitute here, then 31a plus here 1 upon y plus b is equals to y plus 3 is equal to b, means that 27b is equals to 89. This is equation number 4. Student, when you observe this equation 3rd and 4th, the coefficient of a is for the second equation the coefficient of b, and for this coefficient of the 31 is for this equation is coefficient of a. So that here is cross coefficient is same, then we know that we already see such type of the examples. At that time you have to take its addition and subtraction. We get the new two equation. Then again you have to solve this equation. So first I have to write here adding equation 3rd and 4th. Therefore equation 3rd is 27a plus 31b is equals to 85. Equation number 3rd. Equation 4, 31a plus 27b is equals to 89. This is equation number 4. When we are adding it, there is no change in the sign. So that 7 plus 1 is 8, 2 plus 5 is 58a. Here is the addition is also 58b is equals to 9 plus 5 becomes 14. 1 carry 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1 is 7. Means that 174. Okay, then we take the next here. This is coefficient 58a and 58b. We can simplify this equation by 58. So I have to write here divide both side by 58. Now we get, here I have to write here we get. Now what we get? When we divide it by 58, then it becomes a plus b is equals to 3. When we divide 174 by 58, we get the simplification is 3. So This is our next equation. Suppose that equation number 5. Then here is addition. Addition we take here. Then we take it subtraction of these two equations. Mean that subtracting equation third and fourth. We have equation third is again I have to write here 27a plus 31b is equals to 85. This is equation number third. And the fourth one is 31a plus 27b is equals to 89. This is equation number 4. Then we subtract it. We know that when we take it subtraction, then signs of the second equation pair changes. Means that this is minus plus convert minus. This is also minus and this is also minus. Then we take the subtraction of these two. Look careful. There is 31 is minus and this is the plus. Gives the sign of bigger number. Taking its subtraction, we get that minus 4a. Here is plus 31 and minus 27. So that plus 4b is equals to subtraction becomes how much? Minus 4. Student, I am changing their sign. So we write this equation 4a minus 4b is equals to 4. This is equation number. Suppose that this equation is 6, or also we can simplify by using the 4. So divide both sides by 4 we get. Now then the new equation is formed, which is a minus b is equals to 1. This is suppose that equation number 6. Then observe question number 5 and equation number 6. Here is b having plus sign, b having minus sign. If you adding these two equations, then b get cancelled. So I have to write here adding equation 5 and 6. Now equation 5 is a plus b is equals to 3. Equation number 5. Equation 6. A minus b is equals to 1. This is equation number 6. We are adding this, we get that this bb get cancelled. Means that a plus a becomes twice a is equals to 3 plus 1 is 4. Then 2 again goes to denominator. Then a is equals to 4 upon 2. Therefore a is equals to how much? 2. Okay, this is the value of a. We substitute this value of a in equation number 5, we get the value of b. So substituting a is equals to 2 in equation 5th. The equation 5th is a plus b is equals to 3. We write the value of a is 2. Then by using the equation 5th, 2 plus b is equals to 3. This 2 transpose to this another side, so that b is equals to 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Therefore the value of b is equals to how much? 1. Okay, then we resubstitute the value of a and b into these equations. Means that 1 upon x minus 2 is equals to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equals to b. Now here I have to write resubstituting the values of a and b. We get 1 upon x minus 2 is equals to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equals to how much? B. Then the value of a is 2 here. So you have to write 1 upon x minus 2 is equals to how much? 2. Denominator 1 here to me. And this value become 1 upon y plus 3 is equals to 1. Also denominator is like that 1. Then by cross multiplication we get that I have to directly write x cross multiplication. 2 into this one first, 2x minus 2 to 2s are 4 is equals to 1. Then this cross product is 1 into this, means that y plus 3 is equals to 1 1s are 1. Then transpose this minus 4 to this another side, we get that 2x is equals to 1 plus 4. Then here y is equals to 1 minus 3. Addition becomes 2x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 2. Then again these 2 goes to denominator, therefore x is equals to 5 upon 2 and y is equals to how much? Minus 2. Now this is the value of x and y which satisfy this equation. So it is called as the solution of given simultaneous equation. Hence we write the answer in full sentence. Now answer. X is equals to 5 upon 2, comma, y is equals to minus 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. Student, can you understand this? Now this is very important example, because this is the another type of example here. Here is cross coefficient are same, means that you have to adding and subtracting these two equations. So this is most important example. Okay, then we take next question. Okay, then take last question of this practice set. Some different example. Look carefully. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 3 upon 4. And second one is 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 upon 8. So first I have to reduce this equation. Its solution is. Now the first equation is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 3 upon 4. Suppose that this is equation number first. Then second one is 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 upon 8. Suppose that this is equation number 2. Now student, observe here, here is 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x minus y are same for both these two equations. So I have to substitute A for 1 upon 3x plus y and B for 1 upon 3x minus y. Then the equation becomes the equations becomes. Now these equations are reduced by using these equations. We write here. Therefore, this 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to a. So I have to write here a plus this 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to b. So I have to write here b is equals to 3 upon 4. Student, I have to remove this 4 also. Now for removing this 4, we multiply this equation by 4. So suppose that this is equation number 3rd. Multiply both sides of equation by 4. Now therefore we get that 4a plus 4b is equals to 4 get cancel is equals to 3. Let this is equation number how much? 4. Now then we substitute these values again, a and b for these two, for the equation second. Then from equation second we write here this is 1 upon 2 and this is 1 upon 3 how much? Minus 1 upon 8. Suppose that this is equation number 5. Now I want to remove this 8 here of the denominator. So LCM of it is 8. So multiply both sides by 8 we get. When we multiply it by 8 we get here. So first write here multiply both sides of equation 5 by 8 we get. Therefore, when we multiply by 8, then 2 into 4 becomes 8. So that this value becomes 4a minus here is 8 into 1 upon 2 ने divide केला तर आला किती 4b is equals to this 8 get cancel mean that -1. This is equation number 6. Now student, then we solve the equation number 4 and 6. Observe carefully, in this 4 the coefficient of b is 4 plus 4 and in this 6 coefficient of the b is minus 4. If you are adding it, we cancel this, so that I have to write here adding equation 4 and 6. The equation 4 becomes 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. This is equation number 4. Then equation 6 is 4a minus 4b is equals to -1. This is equation number 6. When we are adding these two equations, there is no change in the sign of the second equation. Then 4b and this minus 4b get cancelled. Then what is remaining? 4 plus 4 becomes 8a is equals to subtraction of these two becomes 2. Therefore, a is equals to 2 upon 8. Mean that the value of a is equals to how much? 1 upon 4. We have to simplify by using 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 4 is 8. Now, by using this value, we can find out the value of b. We substitute this value into 3, 4, 5, 6 equations. Okay, I have taken here equation number 4. Substituting a is equals to 1 upon 4 in equation 4. This equation 4 becomes 4a plus 4b is equals to 3. I have to repeat it right again here. Then 4 into a is 1 upon 4 plus 4b is equal to 3. This 4 get cancelled. Mean that 1 plus 4b is equals to 3. Again this 1 transposed to this another side. This is 4b is equals to 3 minus 1. What is the subtraction? 4b is equals to 2. Therefore, b is equals to 2. This 4 again goes to denominator. Mean that the value of b is 1 upon 2. Here I will write b is equals to how much? 1 upon 2. Mean the value of a is 1 upon 4 and value of b is 1 upon 2. Student, again we will substitute these values of a and b here. A for 1 upon 3x plus y and b for 1 upon 3x minus y. So I have to write here resubstitute. The values of a and b. Therefore, 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to b. Then substitute the value of a and b here. A is 1 upon 4. So I will write here 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y is equals to 1 upon 2. This is the value of b. Student, then by cross multiplication we get new equations. I have to directly take its cross product so that 1 into this one is 3x plus y is equals to 4 1s are 4. Suppose that this is equation number 7. This is equation number 7 and by cross product of this we write here 3x minus y is equals to 2. This is equation number 8. Now when we observe here is plus y and here is minus y. So adding these two we get that. Adding equations 7 and 8. The equation becomes 3x plus y is equals to 4. Equation number 7. Then 3x minus y is equals to 2. Equation number 8. When we are adding it, y get cancel. 3 plus 3 becomes how much? 6x is equals to 6. Therefore, x is equals to 6 upon 6 is equals to how much? 1. Mean that the value of x is equals to 1. This is the first solution. Now then, we substitute this value of x in any equation 7 or 8. We get the value of y. So, put or substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 7. We get, I have to directly substitute here. So, right here we get. But here we have to substitute the value of x is 1 here into this equation number 7. We get that 3 into 1 plus y is equals to 4. 3 ones are 3 plus y is equals to 4. Means that y is equals to 4. These 3 transpose here converted as minus 3. The value is equals to 1. Means that the value of y is equals to how much? 1. Means here the value of x is also 1 and y is also 1. Means these values are satisfy the given equation. So it is called as the solution of that simultaneous equation. So we write the answer in full sentence. Answer. X is equals to 1, comma, y is equals to 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. Student, can you understand this? Student, this is the very important examples. In practice set 1.4, there are some different examples. Okay? Now, but these are the very easy examples. You have to practice it, then we can solve this. This can be asked in your examination for 3 or 4 marks also. Okay?